Hello, Pisces. So this is your reading. So this, kung kailan mo itong mahanap tong video na to, that means ito yung oras na kailangan mo itong malaman tong message na to. This will be a timeless one. And also, this is for your sun, moon, and especially for your rising sign. Sa may mga Pisces rising sign dyan. Okay, so gagamitin natin si Brighter Way, tsaka si Oracle of the Celestial Deities. So if you're new, please find me in Facebook as Eroshan Miranda Advincula, and in TikTok, especially in YouTube as Tarot Page Philippines. So, hope makita ko kayo lang. So, subscribe, like, and share. So, kuha tayo ng cards mo, ha? Okay. Let's see. Ano bang message para sa'yo, Pisces? Okay, Pisces, we have here is the King of Swords. So, si King kasi is the older male energy. Si Swords naman is about air, about the mind and the intellect. We have here the Two of Pentacles. So, two is about balance and partnership, while Pentacles naman, symbol siya ng Earth, anything about the physical. And your last card, or last tarot card, is the Eight of Wands. So, 8 is about power and strength. Wands is about fire, about passions and energies. And your ruling your deity right now is Pluto, the god of the underworld. Number 10. So completion, secrecy, and a wish to transform. Pisces, my dear, you have plans. Meron kang mga gustong gawin. Actually, ang dami na in-input, ang dami na binigay sa'yo, downloads ng universe on what you can do. Alam mo, nagiging problem mo? Huwag natin isisi sa zodiac sign natin, ha? Although water sign ka, and sa lahat ng water sign, ikaw nga yung babad sa water, is your emotions, emotions mo ang nangunguna. Dude, yung emotions mo, huwag natin isisi, hala kasi naramdaman ko ganito, feeling ko ganyan. Pisces, feelings can lie, and madalas naglalay ang feelings natin. This is the moment you need to be the King of Swords. Ito yung moment na kailangan mo i-transform. Yung sinasabi din ni Pluto. You need to transform yourself. You need to change. You need to make sure na umangat ka from where you are at right now. Hindi pwede na, ay, ito kasi yung nangyayari. Ito kasi yung bet ko. Ito yung feeling ko na tama. Dude, kung hindi tayo kung puro feelings ang pagaganahin natin, then anything, lahat na lang pwedeng maging totoo. Lahat na lang pwedeng yun na. But the thing is, you need to stick to the facts. Kailangan doon ka, sabihin natin, sa standards, sa morality standards, sa rules, sa regulations. Yes, andoon na feelings, your intuition, it will help you eh. It can guide you and it will guide you. Pero wag mo siyang gawin na as your final form of decision making. Kaya naka-reverse yung Two of Pentacles mo eh. This is about balance. Pinapala sa'yo ng card na to that as a Two of Pentacles, you need to find a way to balance your knowledge and wisdom versus doon sa iyong intuition and instinct. And that will be a hard thing para sa karamihan sa inyo. So, ano ba kailangan mong gawin? We have here the Eight of Wands. Stop for a moment. Huwag mong madaliin ang mga bagay-bagay. Huwag mong i-pressure yung sarili mo na dapat ganito. Sometimes, things that, yung mga hinihintay natin, yung dinadahan-dahan natin, those are the things na mas magiging maganda yung effect sa atin. And this is a moment that you need to do a pit stop. Paano pit stop? Dude, masyado ka nang nadadrive ng heart mo. Time for you to stop muna. Parang sa train, stop muna. Then look inside to your wisdom, to your insight, doon sa knowledge. Manghingi ka. Kung hindi ko naman gagawin ko, then ask for the wisdom. Diba? And listen to the guidance of the Spirit. Andito na yung point na hindi mo na napapakinggan yung still small voice mo na pinapadala ng universe to guide you in using the knowledge and the wisdom. And that, my dear, will provide you the transformation that you need to be on the next level ng buhay mo. So, I hope nakatulong yung readings. Those are for guidance purposes. So, use your free will wisely. Again, you can find me on Facebook as Eroshan Miranda Advincula. and in TikTok, and especially in YouTube as Tarot Page Philippines. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So maraming salamat sa iyo, Pisces. God bless, Namaste, Hare Krishna, and blessed be, and I hope to see you soon enough. Mula po dito sa Baguio City, this is Aira again. You have a great day. Bye for now.